early AM, 4:41 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Tuesday, January 3rd, 2023. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So I'm coming on real quick because we're ahead of the Fed report and the U.S. jobs data. A lot of the Asian markets and European markets are mixed right now. So I just want you to keep in mind that that's going to happen at some point today. And right now the futures is the stock market's up just a tiny bit right now. So I wanted to get everybody a early update here this morning out of the Fed report so we could see what was going on. Like I said, the futures is slightly up, not much. And then XRP right now is down 0.29% at 3471. We're still below that critical resistance of 355. We're still below and trying to make some kind of dent, but we haven't been able to break above this 351 and hold it. So we're kind of mixed right now. It looks like if it can hold this area, it possibly could come up to the 371, but 355 or 356, wherever you decide to put it, could very well be the dampering spot here. So if we pull this out into the 4-hourly, we can see how this right shoulder busted down. And now if we do happen to get rejected either here or at 371, this would be a brutal rejection. And their pullback here, there's been no volume whatsoever. So that's very concerning. You had 20.475 in the 4-hour candle. And I know a lot of people say, oh, it's because Ripple got all their stuff out of escrow, blah, blah, blah. Well, there was billions of Ripple taken out. This is 20 million I'm concerned about. So then the buyback, since all that, got put back in escrow, they got all this extra funds. The buyback was nowhere near the 20 million sell-off. Some of it was disguised as some of the buyback volume. And then you want to look for rising volume, not decreasing volume on the price. Rise if you want to be bullish. Well, right now we've got 5.846 in the 4-hour. And then it goes down to 2.99. Then you got a 4 million sell at 2.5. So you're getting decreasing volume and more sell volume when it was there. So this looks pretty bearish going up, but we'll see. We'll see if we can get a big candle, but it doesn't look like it could sustain anything above 371, even if it somehow managed to get above the 348 and 355. So pay attention to that right now. Take a quick look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's starting a bullish cross. It hasn't quite started, but this could be a fake out into this area to 16,909 approximately. That's what I'd be looking for with Bitcoin. Let's see if we can see anything else. Yeah, see, you'd have to get over here though. So it's either getting rejected here at 16,007. We'll say 16,750, or it's going to make a run up to that 16,900 level. Don't really see any other options here. And then if it breaks 16,900, then you got 17.3, and then ultimately 17,662. But that's above a lot of resistance. A lot of resistance. And then XDC. Then it's late, so I'm going to let you guys go. But I wanted to do this because XDC is holding on to the 200-day support. If it loses this 200-day support, the next support in the area is going to be 0.23. So under 2.5 cents. It's really not looking good for XDC. It looks awful. You got rejected here at the bear flag. It broke down, came back up, got rejected here at the ascending triangle. Right around the 3 cent mark, about 287. Now it's coming down, and if it loses this, like I said, the 200-day, look out below, because that's a big bear flag, and then it would break down, and I don't even think this would hold, but this would be the next support at 0.234, ironically. And then ultimately the 0.22 level, which is where it looks like it's trending down to, and then possibly further. Make sure to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you like the deeper look into XDC.